Almost done, almost done.
Concerns over the H1N1 virus, also called the swine flu, and the U.S. vaccine stockpile to fight it are raising concerns at the Capitol. Since the outbreak was detected, the virus is being blamed for about 2,000 deaths across the country.
This says the percentage of all visits to doctor's office that are due to flu.
Lawmakers addressed the nation's response to the contagious virus that they say poses a stronger threat to women, children, and young people. U.S. Secretaries of Homeland Security, Health and Human Services, and Education fielded questions from senators over the preparedness of the country's resources.
DHS and our federal partners were addressing this situation aggressively and collectively. That was true then. It is true today.
State officials are worried about some states falling short of the recommended amount of vaccine doses. This as officials warn that this is expected to be the worst flu season in recent memory. And many area schools are already reporting larger than normal absenteeism due to the seasonal flu.
We didn't know how lethal this virus would be, so out of an abundance of caution, schools were urged to lean toward closing when cases broke out. We know a lot more now.
The lower than hopeful amounts of vaccine remain a concern, but the federal government is using the media to teach people on how to handle the issue. Special programs on the internet and talk shows are educating the public on how to prevent the virus's spread. Lawmakers are also chiming in.
All the simple things people have been saying, wash your hands, use the hand cleaners, cough in your sleeve, all accurate.
Secretary of Education Arne Duncan testified that the H1N1 flu virus led to the loss of parents' wages and school meals for some of the 31 million children across the nation who rely heavily on federal school meals programs.
From April 27th through June 12th, more than 1,350 schools in 35 states closed for at least one day. These closures affected over 824,000 students and about 53,000 teachers.
The Department of Homeland Security says its efforts to coordinate between federal and state departments is going into overdrive this flu season to minimize the effects of the spreading H1N1 flu virus. Colin Campbell, Washington.